kind of wild to be saying both these things, but I just hit 10,000 subscribers today, and we're going to buy a car to celebrate. Got to make a stop on the way to the airport because we are dropping off the iPad for the 5,000 subscriber contest winner. And I may mess up your name, but Bilal, thank you for watching, and the iPad is coming to you. Stay tuned for the 10,000 subscriber giveaway.
Hi, this is James from CarMax. We were just getting your car ready and realized we don't have the title to it yet, so we can't sell you the car. Is there another vehicle you'd be interested in purchasing instead?
So after 4 years of having this channel, reaching 10,000 subscribers, we are going to introduce a project car along with different type of content. Rather than just me staying in front of my office giving you car news and spec videos, we're going to change the spec up on some of my own vehicles. So I drove 4.5 hours last night to go to this pretty beach to show you my new to me 2022 Subaru WRX. Made it, finally. It was quite a cluster trying to get this figured out. However, I've never driven one of these before. Hopefully I like it because I've already bought it. Let's give it, oh, that's a touchy clutch. Now, of course, I wouldn't drive 4.5 hours just to get to a beach to show you a Subaru WRX. This is actually my favorite place to be probably in the world. We are cruising right now on the Pacific Coast Highway, somewhere between Dana Point and Huntington Beach. No, it's not a particularly great driving road, but there's something about having a fun car, seeing all these amazing cars just randomly parked on the street. You just don't see that in Utah. Just right here, I've seen a Vector M12 street parked. There's what, 12 of those in the world? And somebody had the audacity to not only drive it, but street park it? That gives you an idea of what the Pacific Coast Highway can be like. Probably have a few questions. First of all, why a WRX? I want something fun. I can run carpool, but it still has some soul to it. This does harken back to my 2004 STI that I had, and this feels like a more mature, grown-up version of that, which is honestly what I wanted. The other elephant in the room, if you have watched any of my videos before, I do not like boring spec'd cars. Those that may be like white exterior, black interior, like this. That will all be addressed in time. Fortunately, I already have some people lined up who are willing to help change those things up. Probably won't happen for a while, but it will happen. Let me know what kind of things you would like to see on it, how you would like me to change up this car. Another question you're probably asking yourself is why this style WRX? No, it doesn't have the most aftermarket support, but if you, again, have watched my channel before, you know I tend to like controversial looking cars, and this vehicle has definitely been met with some controversy. Seemingly you either love it or hate it. I wasn't convinced. But over the last couple of years, as I've seen more of them on the road, I've grown to like it, and I especially like them when modified, which is, of course, what we plan to do. But for now, I'm just going to open the sunroof, feel the breeze, and cruise. And as always, if you made it this far, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.